Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will help how to learn music by ear only way. Begin by singing short melodies and immediately match pitches on your instrument, then label intervals aloud. Practice call and response with recordings and slow sections down to notice patterns. Use consistent 10 to 20-minute daily sessions, focus on intervals and chord tones, and track progress with simple ear training exercises that feel fun and repeatable. Start these core exercises by choosing a favorite melody and isolating one phrase to sing and play back. Slow the phrase and identify each interval before trying the whole line. Add a simple chord accompaniment and sing the chord tones to feel harmony. Gradually increase complexity as you succeed, keeping sessions short and focused so your ear adapts naturally and your confidence grows with each repetition. Build a practice plan that keeps you steady and curious, starting with 10 to 20-minute sessions 5 days a week. Each session should include listening, humming, matching notes on your instrument, and a tiny transcription task. Record yourself and compare weekly to hear improvement. Keep goals small and specific, celebrate small wins, and adjust exercises as your ear becomes more confident and musical patterns start to click more easily.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.